What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. All right, so really quick before we get started, if you could, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you have not already. All right, so if you caught the last video, you saw that the EVO is temporarily down simply because the shifter bushing clip that holds on the shifter bushing came off and I don't know where it's at. As a result, the shifter cables keep coming off. I ordered new ones and they came, but apparently they're the wrong ones. They're not the right size. So I'm guessing they're different depending on the year, I guess, but these don't fit. They're just too small. But after I realized they were the wrong ones, I went ahead and ordered the right ones, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I have to wait for those to come. I still have not received my catch can, so I'm still waiting on that. But I haven't driven this car all week, and I just want to drive it. So the plan is to meet up with Brian today. We're gonna be meeting up with a guy with the case 30 swapped MR2. He's down to run Brian, which Brian, I believe he makes close to 700 horsepower to the wheels. Not sure how much the MR2 makes, but I guess we'll find out. But with that being said, let's go ahead and warm up the EVO really quick. I think I'm gonna flush out the system, run some 91 for tonight, also for convenience, and then we're gonna go ahead and meet up with Brian. Vanilla iced coffee.
A large vanilla iced coffee. Anything else?
Nah, that'll be it.
Thank you.
The red dragon right here in the flesh. All right, so how much power are you making right now, bro?
Oh, I'm at 671.
When you gonna let me drive it though? That's the real question.
Yeah,
When can I drive it?
this weekend.
A while back when I first showed the car on the channel, it was just a shell, a bare shell that this dude Max ruined, okay? No. But now it's a fully running functional car. Probably one of the cleanest 8s, if not the cleanest 8 in AZ. But what all's done to the MR2? You said it's case swap, boosted.
Boosted 15 pounds.
15 pounds.
He has a 64, 62. I believe he said he had a built train in there.
I would hope so.
He's running on slicks. He's about a little over 600 pounds lighter than me.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. But he's just rear wheel drive though, which
yeah, he's rear wheel drive.
Right. So I'm running 91 and my car feels so much slower on 91. It's crazy. I don't know, after today I might not ever run 91 again. I don't know.
I gotta let them know.
Special mix in there.
I had to put the special mix. Mostly, you know, if you on E, you just run all E.
Right.
And if you on pump, you just run pump.
Right. He on E light. So.
I'm on diet E, you know what I'm saying? I'm on diet Dr. E, you know?
Right.
So if you want to get to E54 from E85, what it is whatever, 3 parts of this,
3 parts of E85.
1 part of this.
Oh, okay.
So it's 1/3.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? So 3 gallons of this, 1 gallon that gets you E55 ish.
Perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I actually have an app to like calculate that, but I don't know how to actually use it, so I haven't had to use it yet, so thankfully.
I went to college.
Right,
so,
he went to
college.
Educated.
Educated.
Right
So yeah, let's meet at
Where?
Clan Jumpers.
Okay, I'm following you. Where is it at?
On the freeway right here on McDowell.
Okay, cool. I'm
So we're
following
gonna
you.
meet at Clan Jumpers and we're gonna meet them up and we're gonna run.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's a stock K20,
Uh-huh.
Type S trans, precision 62, 66. I got the Ultra Manifold.
Nice.
Yeah, it's on 15 pounds.
That's awesome. How much of a pain was it to like fit this in there?
Dude, honestly,
Uh-huh.
it was kind of a pain, I guess. I just had to have like a couple jacks, you know what I mean? Just lining up, because it's solid mounts, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
this is a little bit.
How bad does it shake? Vibration?
Oh, it vibrates like hell.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it rattles, but it's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, that's cool,
Yeah.
man. I like it. I dig it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh. I'm gonna count to 3, okay? Okay, I'm gonna look at your hands, all right? Hey, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Even if I'm listening to him, so I can't. Hey, yeah, bro, because I'm jumping, I'm trying not to.
Close though, man.
Yeah, that nigga shit can move. That's what I said. That nigga had Mark can move, bro. Damn.
That thing is quick.
Fly off on the freeway earlier, right? It should have done. It's probably the second race you guys did. Hey, was that getting any flames?
Yeah. I got it, bro.
I see some pictures because I have not seen any of those yet, bro.
That motherfucker was live.
I got it. Really? Yeah. Hey, that's the Hall Tech. That's the Hall Tech and shit.
That's gonna be the intro for the video, bro.
Hey, I'm tired of having all these. I'm tired of putting buses and trains on people. You know what I'm saying? I needed something like that. I needed something close.
You did good, bro. You did, like I said, you ain't missing gears.
Hey, I hope I did the EVO dudes proud. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna have to watch that footage because I don't know who actually won, but. Alright, so I'm editing and I realized I forgot to close out this video. So I went back, watched the footage from the runs. There was like one good solid run, but in the end I think the MR2 missed the gear. but it's kind of hard to tell who was faster. I don't actually know still how much power the MR2 is making, but it was really quick. It actually makes me want to case swap something. I was like looking up MR2s and just random cars to case swap and build. Currently, I'm actually considering once again selling the STI. There's another car that I found that I kind of want to get, which would require me at this point to get rid of the STI to do so. I feel like later on down the road I'm gonna regret it. Maybe, I don't know, because I like the STI, but this other car I like a lot more. So I actually may be getting rid of the STI soon. But of those runs, who would you say won? I don't know, because like I said, they were pretty close. Both cars are really fast. Brian's car felt really fast. But with that being said, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I appreciate you guys for checking it out. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.